Hey guys, what's up? This is Jordan Crook with TechCrunch, and we are here at Startup Alley at Disrupt SF 2013. We're going to walk around and take a couple looks at the companies. There are like hundreds of them packed into San Francisco Design Center, and we're really excited to get to know some of them. So here we go. Do you have a moment to talk to me, Mario?
Yes, I do. What's going on?
What's your real name?
My name is John Gonzalez.
And what do you do, John Gonzalez, with your life?
I am the co-founder of mywebroom.com. Please come over here. Come over here. This is our wonderful table over here. So my startup's called mywebroom.com, and what we do is a visual network where we allow people to create a virtual room using their favorite products and brands, and then the room allows them to browse the internet and save their favorite content. So for example, right, so if you come in and you have your own, you create your own little room using your favorite products and brands, let's say you wanted to access some online news. You click on your newspaper on your virtual room, and then there you have it. You have all your favorite news bookmarks saved in there. You can even browse from inside our interface, which allows people to, we save all your username, your passwords. So it's all, how do we bring it all together into one place? And we create a visual network where instead of being represented by text or just one image, how do we allow and give space for people to get a little bit more creative and use different types of products and brands to kind of tell a story about themselves. And then how do they give keys to their friends? You can go to different types of rooms, check out what they're doing. So we're taking a more visual aspect of the internet. And then based on all the different websites that are coming out on a daily basis, how do we bring everything together in a simple, clean, and beautiful way? And that's what we're proposing.
Can I ask you a really important question?
Please do.
What does this have to do with Mario?
So we were thinking, like, how can we kind of like call it a bit of the attention to our table? There's a bunch of startups. We want, obviously we want the votes. We want to pitch. So it's kind of like the whole Let Mario Pitch campaign. And I kind of had like a little mustache going on. So it's like, hey, you already have a mustache. Might as well get the Mario costume. Just go around and try to call the attention. And I guess it's working. So that's the idea.
Well, good luck, man. Have fun. All right, let's see what else is up. We got through Mario. I like this guy in the green tie. Let's see what he's doing. Hey there.
Hey, talk to this guy.
But I like your tie.
Come on.
Great tie.
Okay, I'll like you too. You have a really nice shirt on.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Andy Dwyer.
Hi, you want to shake?
Yeah, nice
Cool.
to meet you.
Yeah, all right. So what do you do, Andy Dwyer? What's this all about?
So me and my friend Matt here spun up By the People about 3 months ago. And basically my premise was We the People, the government website, and change.org. I think petitions are kind of a waste of time. I would rather have an active conversation with a community that's looking to push the ball across the goal line. So with By the People, anybody can create whatever issue they want and host it on our site. The actual debate is broken down into problem, solution, fact, and action format, and you can comment on each one individually. The comments are also votable, so if somebody posts something irrelevant or trolling, you just vote it down, it falls to the bottom of the stack, you don't have to worry about it.
Okay, wait. So my question is, this is to create more change than petitions already do, but how will that work? How does that actually happen?
So a great example is we've created 2 issues local to San Francisco. We have one issue that says, why are all of our San Francisco tour buses allowed to be dirty diesel and sit around at idle at Union Square? So that's a question I have for our Lieutenant Governor as well as Ed Lee. And instead of signing a petition saying that should change, we've created an action on the website where we said we're all going to show up at Union Square starting on September 30th, and we're basically going to disrupt the buses by saying that nobody should ride a dirty bus. And if those tourists really want to deal with a bunch of people saying, hey, quit dirtying up our city, they can come to our site and they can see what our demands are. So we also link that with a solution. The solution says pass a law that within 2 years, all buses have to convert to clean diesel. And we actually have people adding value to the conversation saying, why don't we go ahead and give the bus companies tax breaks so it'll pay for it itself? So we've completely circumvented the government process. We've gotten to the point where we've decided we'll come up with the action, we'll come up with the solution, and we don't need to ask permission.
Awesome. So are you guys going to actually make money, or is that going to happen?
So we have a couple of ways to monetize in the pipes. We've looked into the ability for organizations that issues are being raised against them to purchase verified accounts, because right now it's all anonymous and the best ideas float to the top. So if Monsanto wants to, counter an argument related to GMOs, they can purchase a verified account to say, here's our official response. Any organizations, any government sites. We've also looked into monetizing social change by having companies partner with our actions. If somebody has a problem with a certain business and a competitor wants to offer discounts to allow them to support the action, they can come through us, they can offer a discount to our supporters, monetize social change.
Awesome. Well, good luck, man.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day. Let's see where else we can go. Hoop-de-doop-de-doo. They have jars. I want to check this out. Hey, guys. Can I chat with you for a minute for TCTV? What's your name?
I'm Jackson. Good to meet you.
Jackson. My sister's name is Jackson.
Jordan Cook, right?
Yeah, Jordan Crook. That's me.
Yeah.
Cool. We can be friends now.
Cool.
Okay, so what is Vice Jar? I see you have lots of jars. Oh my God, you have cigarettes. I just quit. I hate you. Okay.
Vice jar is your traditional swear jar. Every time you curse, you put money in the jar. And we thought, oh, this is a great concept. It's an old concept. People use it. Where's the app for this? And then why can't we use it for other things like running? It's like you set a goal, you want to run 10 miles, you run 8 miles, well, you put money in the jar. We have GPS, triathlon tracking tools, and we have stuff for smoking, and then you could also create your custom jars. A lot of people create junk food jars. A lot of people create shopping jars. Those two seem to be the most popular ones right now.
So my question is, are there real jars or is it just an app? Like, do I get a jar if I sign up for the app, or is it just in the app?
Well, you could win.
I have these jars, so I'm just wondering, is this just for you guys?
Well, you could actually win this jar. It's a silver. It's a handmade mirrored. It's pretty hard. It's like a challenge. You have to hit like 26 goals. You have to go do an event. But we love the whole mason jar idea. Like, it's kind of trendy now. So
the idea is just to keep you on track with your goals. The same idea as a swear jar.
exactly the same. You can nominate a regulator. A regulator will come in and record for you. That's a loved one, family, friend, kind of like an intervention.
Okay, cool. So will you guys make any money, or?
Yeah. So the money sits in the accounts, and then we just take a slice of the interest. We're looking towards like having people like more financial products as well. So.
Okay, cool. Well, good luck, man.
Cool.
Have a good one.
Meet you.
Let's keep on wandering. Recipe lover is being left alone. Hey, what's up, Power Slide? Are you Power Slide?
We are Power Slide.
Why does your thing say shared to you? That's the wrong name.
So Power Slide's the app, shared to use the company that developed the app. We're the app developer.
Understand. Okay, so what does Power Slide do? And also, what is your name? It's Brett Bauer.
It's Brett Bauer, right.
I let it out of the bag.
It's here, Brett Bauer. Yeah.
So what does Power Slide do?
Power Slide actually helps you discover what apps your friends have. So it answers that question, what apps do my friends have? In a nice, easy way, you can actually look at your friends' apps, see what they have that's different than you, and actually share an app to your friend or other colleague. So it leverages your friends, family, and colleague. The number 2 way to find apps other than search.
So is the end goal explicitly to sell it to Apple, or?
No.
No. Okay. So how do people leverage your technology? Is it built into an app store, or
So
can you?
we're in iTunes, and we're also in Android. We launched Android July 15th. Now we've got about 200,000 downloads since we started advertising on June 7th. It's going really, really well.
Does it use Facebook Connect?
We do use Facebook Connect. This is actually the app on the Mini here. This is in iOS. The first thing you can do is you can actually look at your profile, people that you're following and those that follow you. So it's kind of like Twitter for apps. Can I say that? Twitter for apps? Okay.
You can say whatever you want.
Oh, well, thank you. I'm not going to swear then. So we must be having server issues because we're at a mobile event or at a tech conference, and we always have issues with these.
All right. Well, it looks like it looks pretty. I like it.
Well, thank you.
Well, good luck,
What
man.
you can do is you can see what apps your friends have. You can share them. You can pull from them. I can show you on my phone. It's actually pretty quick. Yeah. You're going to cut this later, right? Good. Well, no, I mean all the pause in the talking. Yeah, good. Okay. So I'll just show you quick. So I can look at my co-founder Ken. These are Ken's apps. These are the apps that are different from mine. And from here, I got a straight shot to the App Store. So that's one side. And so it'll pop up here in a second. Then I can just download the app. So it's a quick way to get to the App Store. On the other side is I can share apps with my friends. So I can pick any friend here. I'll pick this guy. Well, actually, it's a lady. I met her at a theater. I think it was the Iron Man opening.
I like that little swipe up to send.
My favorite apps. So when I click done, I come back here to the home screen. One more time. And now I can see the apps that I'm sharing. So I always know what my friends are doing. And from here, I can go back to the App Store.
Very cool.
Thank you.
Well, good luck, man.
Thank you
Have a
very
good day, Brett. Let's go see what Crowdflix is up to. They have some cool stuff. Hey, Crowdflix. You guys want to talk to TechCrunch TV?
Sure, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, thank you.
What's your name?
I'm Chris Hamer, the CEO and founder of Crowdflick.
Okay, what is Crowdflick all about?
Crowdflick's all about synchronized video, so synchronizing mobile smartphones at an event, birthday party, concert, anything like that. Multiple people are shooting, it synchronizes all the devices, the video, both on location and on time.
So you said it's based on location, so would I be synchronizing video with strangers?
You could be at a concert, yes. So then your video and strangers' video all comes up on the platform, so everybody can create better edits from the aggregate video.
So we've historically seen that when anything is location based and you're sharing photos or videos, something that's very intimate, people are semi-scared about that. I mean, what kind of is your solution or your differentiator to fix that?
Well, for the types of events that most people would be afraid of, let's say weddings or birthday parties, down the road we'll have private event, so you can invite people, or there'll be concentric circles of who can be in and not. On public events like concerts and soccer games, you almost have to share with everybody, more like in a Waze kind of way, where the more people that contribute, the better it is for the whole, and everybody benefits.
Can people edit within the app? So you aggregate videos and you put it all together right there in the app?
That's exactly right. So it uploads, it cuts it, the app cuts all the video into synchronized 10-second pieces, so you're effectively creating edits out of 10-second segments. So subsequent 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, tap and play and save and share.
Awesome. How are you guys going to make money?
So our whole model fits right into the sponsored event model. So if Absolute's sponsoring Dave Matthews at a concert, all those people filming right now, there's no connection between the brand, the venue, the act, and the fans filming. If we can get them, the brands, to promote the idea of using the app, everybody benefits, and it's in a branded way. So
awesome.
Very subtle but effective.
All right, well, good luck. Everything looks good.
Thanks.
All right. Thanks. One more. We have time for one more app. You look like you want to chat.
Hi there. How are you?
You want to chat, right?
Sure, definitely.
I know your body. So, what is your name?
My name is Ricardo Jimenez.
And what is your app?
I'm the co-founder at Mapache Studios, and we develop educational games, but we have a really social mission in our company. So basically what we do is that we use the game mechanics of the most popular games, like Angry Birds, for example, and we make education fun. So here you can see a game that teaches kids English vocabulary. Here kids can learn, for example, colors in English. I'm from Colombia, by the way. And basically what we do is that we have an intelligent algorithm that recognizes where the kids are having trouble. So it shows the words again and again until the kids actually learn it. And in our social mission, we really believe that education should be for everyone, not just for those who can afford it. That's why we created a business model that allows us to make donations. And right now we made a donation to more than 2 million kids who are using these games in Colombia. And we want to make more donations to international foundations like One Laptop Per Child and Pearson Foundation.
So there are a lot of educational game platforms out there. It's a big space, very, very crowded. I mean, how do you kind of float yourself to the top and grab mind share?
Well, that's a really truth about this industry. But basically what we want to do is to bring education to the world. We're not that worried about making games that are like super different from those ones from other startups, but we are really interested in our business model because we believe that we're not a social business, but we can actually, with a profit-based company, make a high impact in society. So what we want to do is to bring all the kids together and give them a wide variety of games that helps them to grow as integral human beings.
So is there any concern over kind of ripping off games like Angry Birds?
Yeah, no, not at all, because we have our own IP. What we use is the game mechanics, and the game mechanics are free.
Okay, that's fair enough. Well, good luck, man.
Okay, thank you very much.
Take care. All right, guys. Well, that's it for me right here in Startup Alley, but we'll be bringing you videos throughout all 3 days of the Disrupt conference. It was great having you here. Thanks for watching.